Hi friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, episode 6. We are needing to replace some underground plumbing lines in this house because of the age of the home and because of some of the stuff going on in the kitchen because they were pretty plugged up. Wow, that's a process. I'm going to show you around what we've got going on as far as the dig out is concerned so you can see all that goes along with that. Be fairly warned. This might be a lot. As you can see here, I am in the bedroom on the front side of the house, and that is where this plumbing trench goes out to the main in the front of the home. So this, I believe, is about 4 feet deep. We've gotten under the foundation of the home down there so that they were able to punch through that and then move on outside. As you can see, they got in that all the way out there, and this comes all the way through the house from the kitchen. So, they're still digging some trench. You might hear the jackhammer behind me as we go through, but as you can see, this plumbing line is being replaced all the way through here. Over here, we have the actual pipe that was taken out. It's not in too bad a shape on the outside of it, but the interesting thing with cast iron is that it rots from the outside and the inside. So, in the process of redoing all the flooring throughout the home, our homeowners have decided that, and at our advice, that there's enough work going on that you don't want to have to do this when you're not in this mode of remodel. And that's where that trench goes from this bathroom on this side of the house across to the front. This is our homeowner's office. You can see the trench through there. And then we come back into this ensuite bathroom and we've got the trench in here. We've talked already about this shower having an additional floor underneath it. It had a full tiled Roman tub under it. Holy cow. So we're evaluating that now. I think we'll end up just filling it in with cement so that we can move forward with it. But as you can see, there's the pipe we removed. New pipe will come into that drain. But it's just amazing how much work has gone out here. So here we are in the kitchen. We did have our footings foundation past that for the footings that go in for this wall. So those footing trenches got filled in today. But you can see our plumbing trench here. And as it comes from what's our new butler's pantry area, this is where that all starts. Got some great progress on plumbing trenches today. To the hall bath. And that bathroom floor too is quite torn up. They're still taking concrete out. Oh my goodness sakes. You guys are working so hard today and trying to get all this work accomplished. This is quite the pile here. Oh my word. But then you can see what all had to happen for this hall bathroom. Friends, for Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, thanks for being on this journey with us. Couldn't do it without you. As you can tell by my tone of voice and my body language, this makes me a little unsettled. I'm working alongside our homeowners with it, but everybody's going to have a little bit of a different emotional response to this kind of work. And for me, you can tell that there's a little bit of an emotional response. But all those things we help our homeowners with because we get to experience it alongside them and hopefully have the knowledge and foresight to encourage them along the way also. Paradise Valley, episode 6. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.